I'm plugging you guys to the best so you can check her out. Don't wait till you have the complete money to 350,000 in Nigeria. Hi love, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, if you're stepping by for the first time, you are very much welcome. I am Rosenta, a makeup artist amongst other things. Well, in this video I'll be sharing with you the cost of starting out as a makeup artist. Whether you're a makeup artist, you are a girl who just wants to learn how to do her own makeup personally, or you're an intending makeup artist. Well, I really think this video will be very helpful, so stay tuned. Mwah. So for insight, or should I say for context, I will be unboxing this. It's already open because I wanted to double check just to make sure that I got what I ordered. I got it about 2 weeks ago or so, but I've been so busy, so yeah. Let me have a cheek lip palette, a micellar water, and a foundation. I also got the Merak setting powder. I got 2 shades. The second shade, disposable eyeliners for under eyes. I'm practicing hygiene. Yeah, as a makeup artist, yeah, a primer, and I always powder puff. Yes, I just want to give you an insight. Now, these 7 things or so that I bought, everything was about 44,000 naira. And this was bought on sales, guys. It was on sales. So I'll plug you in because this person I got this thing from, she's an authentic person. This is not a PR. She's a trusted vendor, a makeup vendor that I always get my products from. Even if I have to pay for delivery fee, I just kind of do it because I prefer to do quality products over, I got this free gift, guys. I did not even buy something worth up to 50k, but I got this free gift. I got a concealer, I think this bronzer, and a nail. I think there were 4 things. But yes, I did not order this, and I got these 4 things. So I'm plugging you guys to the best so you can check her out, check her page out. Yeah, her beauty store on Instagram. Makeup product I'm about to get into is just for makeup products. That is excluding lighting, excluding extra things like chairs and all of that. For an intended makeup artist / a makeup artist, you'd be spending between 250,000 to 350,000 in Nigeria, and that is right now, with the current rate of things. I'll be explaining why I gave a range. And for a makeup lover, or a girl who just wants to start her makeup, you'll be spending between 100 to 150,000 naira. This price range I'm giving you are for drugstore quality products. Now let me explain. So in makeup, there's high-end products and there's drugstore products. Now high-end products are products like them Fenty Beauty, All Born This Way, MAC products. Those ranges from 20,000 to 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. From that 20,000 to 100,000 range, I like to call them high end. Whilst for drugstore, quality products you can also get for let's say 5 to 15,000, and 4 to 15,000 and thereabout. You understand what I mean? For the cost of starting up as a makeup artist, why I made a range is because, let me give you an example. Let me give you an instance now. You might walk into a store, you want to get, let me use adventure makeup. Let's use adventure makeup. And you try to get I don't know how much they sell, but let's use this as an example. You want to get an adventure foundation, and let's say it's about 5,000 naira. Now, another person might want to get another brand, but same drugstore foundation, but another brand of foundation. Let's say they want to get Avor. I don't know how much that one is, maybe about 5,500. Okay, so the difference now is that 500, and that's why I'm putting that range, because you might not get the same brand as somebody else, and at the same time, makeup vendors sell prices differently. It's not like it's so different in price, but some makeup vendors might sell for one product for 5,000, and some are selling for 4,500, 4,800. There's this range, so that's why You know what I mean? That's why I'm giving a certain range. So I didn't just come here and I just decided to say a price or say things. No, I very much did my research on different makeup vendors, on different brands, their current prices, and based on my experience as a makeup artist, I put together all of these things and I tried to articulate it as best as I could. And I tried to do that as realistically as possible, because makeup is actually really expensive, if I'm being honest with you. But I just try to give it a wide range so you can find as many options as you can within that range. Now, alongside getting makeup products, there are a few things I feel you should know, which are very, very much important. Now, for one, imagine skincare not being cheap, then makeup. So it is not cheap, and because of that, some people might try to compromise on quality. One thing I'll tell you is, don't compromise on quality. So they are drugstore products and they may vary in prices. But the thing is, the moment you begin to compromise on quality, you begin to set a low and unstable foundation. You know what they say about having a good foundation? It's always good when you start off with quality products and you begin to see the beauty. Quality products plus a good skill just equals a good makeup outcome. That's just what I would say. So in as much as things might be very, very expensive, don't compromise on quality. I will not advise that. But now I know that makeup can be really capital intensive, and that is what's bringing me to my next point. So this tip is particularly for intending makeup artists or makeup artists. Don't wait till you have the complete money, like maybe a 250,000, 350,000, 300,000 to get products, to start getting products. And I think this even applies to also people who want to even start their makeup, not just for intending makeup artists. I got this triangle puff. I think it was about 700 or 500. I can't really recall. 700 naira. You can start little by little and then go upward from there. It's always more encouraging when you have this thing. You're like, oh, I might as well just add like pencils. This one just like 2,000. You just add something, and before you know, your kit just begins to go up from there. You begin to build. Okay, so don't just wait till you have all the whole money to get all the complete product, because the thing is that even when you get that 350,000, you try to purchase everything, as time goes on, you also want to get more products. So just start with what you can first and then build it up from there. And the economy is not stable. So it's not a stable economy that you can save that 350k for later, and the things you get today is what you get the next year. You might get discouraged, especially with prices of things. Honestly, I have been there, so I can say a bit on it, honestly speaking. But if this is what you really want to do, and you really have passion for it, people do it, and people are making good money from it. So I'll just say, just hang in there, step by step. Don't try to figure out everything once. And don't forget, I'll be rooting for you. We are here together to grow. So, yeah. You're a makeup artist, Seth, or you're a makeup lover. You're somebody who just likes to do her makeup, and you have been into the journey. And there are some tips you'd like to also give to somebody who is just starting out. Please drop them like it's hot in the comments. It could help me. It would help me. I always like learning. It will help me, and it could also help somebody else. Thank you so much for watching to this point. So my love, I have come to the end of this video. I do hope you took out, or you were able to take out one or two things from it, and it was a bit helpful. Please, if that was the case, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and also to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. You can also connect with me on my socials, on Instagram and TikTok. Well, I'll see you in my next video, but until then, do take care. Bye.